Okay, good morning, everybody. Mwah, 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 mwah. I'm blowing you all a national kiss. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. See, let me promise you all something. What I'm about to say now, I'm not trying to calm anybody down. I'm not trying to ease anybody's tension. Say Kemi no go chop beating. Now on a lasting. In fact, only of you first, if you give instruction, I no go obey. This one must be done. It's an outstanding. If the medication where they use, if you no work, we go help you use natural setting. Those days when they say person get ogbanje na beating and they take cast ogbanje out. Now you know they work. So please, I want to first apologize to every one of you for the inconvenience I must have caused yesterday. You see, sometimes some things are necessary. Some people want to turn themselves into a flesh, a turn in your flesh. We have suffered so much in this country that we are trying to gain our freedom. We are trying to gain our sanity. We are trying to build a better society. And this is the point where we all need to come together as citizens. We are all affected, whether you're a father, whether you're a mother, whether you're in diaspora. Hearing the name that your society, your country is not at peace, things are not working, would also bother you wherever you are. And this time where every one of us were trying to come together to fuse and bring positivity, when we are trying to get justice in our simple forms, nobody, we will not tolerate anybody, we will not tolerate any bad energy. Whoever is paying you, whoever is instigating you, whoever is pushing you, whoever sees you as a force that should be used to disengage people or disarm people or demoralize people or frustrate people, we will not accept it. We will not accept it. The case of Sly is a very sensitive one and is a wake-up call. I'm not a troublemaker. And when I want to make trouble, I make trouble with things that will bring positive impact to everybody. Not me alone, because this society is not about me alone. It's about you, it's about me, it's about our children. And we will not want anybody to silence us. Kemi Olunloyo is used to doing this. When everybody is going to the right side, Kemi is just going to come and tilt everybody to the wrong side. We've seen the things that she's doing. Personally, I don't have issues with you because whatever I do to you, I do it as a sister. Whatever little token that I give to you, I give it to you as a concerned citizen because I see that you beg. And I'm sorry if I cannot support you. I don't have to come out to make noise that I'm doing this for you. I just do it because of the sake that you're also a mother. But now we don't even regard you as a mother because you're as good as a mad woman, raging on the street. So Kemi, don't come here. Whoever is pushing you, whatever investigative journalism that you're doing, we don't want it. Go back to your drawing board. It is either you're coming to the side of a better Nigeria, or you keep quiet, you keep silent, or we're going to shut you up. That's what it is. Nobody is ready for your bad energy. Every parent out there is crying. Some are crying aloud, some are crying deep inside. A lot of parents are beginning to see themselves as failure. A lot of parents are beginning to see themselves as they are not doing their children well, they are not treating their children right. Not understanding that is the porous situation in the society. And we are trying to plead to the government, we are trying to get the attention of the government to go back to their drawing board and begin to put up measures that will curb crime in our society. It's no longer the days of 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Things have gone really, really bad. I went to a public school. I went to a boarding school. Presently, all my kids are in boarding school. So you're not going to make me feel less of myself. When you had issues with your baby father, you came on social media, you were crying. People pitied you, whether you were telling lies or you were telling the truth. So when people come out to say their own side of the story, everybody's going through one thing or the other. You also have to show sympathy. You don't have to come and make people feel like they are monsters. You're doing it to Snow White. You're doing it to everybody. We're not going to take it from you. No. This is support for women. This is support for motherhood. This is support for parenting. And we're not going to take it from you. Whatever you want to do to me personally, I don't care. You can go ahead and do. You've been doing it to me since 2015. I have your videos. I don't want to elongate this. Do you understand? That beating, now for sure, nothing will stop Amo. People don't beg fire. But me, the problem where I get is say, when I don't light fire, not be me they quench myself. No. I go make sure say I put firewood, the whole thing go burn. So please, every one of you, I want you to relax. Beating for sure. But we need to understand the basis of this whole agitation. Kemi cannot continue to demoralize us. Anywhere where you ready to bring Shoko, we self ready to give you Shoko plus. Do you understand? You need to come to your sanity. Be like that prison where you go. The thing not really ginger. The thing not change you. It just change you for a while. You come and start seeking pity. People will pity you. You know, it's wrong. It's wrong. We are mothers. Even if we want to scold ourselves, we can do it backdoor. We don't have to come out publicly. Do you think we don't know a lot of things? We know a lot of things, but we don't come out to talk. Because we cannot continue to put ourselves in the light of government and say they are not together. They have to see that we are together. They have to know that we are together. The spirit of Umoja has to continue to lead us. Some of us cannot be against the government. Some of us are in support of the government. Whatever is going to benefit the public, everybody should speak with one voice. It's not everybody that has the energy to come out, but the few ones that have the energy to come out, don't kill their morale. So because of the way you do now, people should not be talking. You come out and you say lie. You want to demoralize people. You don't want people to lend their voices. We're not going to agree you. Anyhow, where this matter don't grow. Me, as you see me so already, you have said too many things about me. You said too many things about my relationship. You said too many things about me. I don't care. I don't care. Trust me, I don't care. If I cared, I would have responded. But this one where the public matter said they keep picking. You can't talk say they do investigative journalism. That your investigative journalism, maybe they do it for your one bedroom. Not bring and come outside. We don't need you. We don't need you. We don't need you. We don't need you. So thank you, everybody. Let's keep the fire burning. Let's keep the energy burning. We say no to demoralization. Any words that I used, whether I insulted, whether I cursed you, sometimes you need to come to people's level. Speak the language they understand. And if it's the gutter language you understand, I can speak it. Do you understand? We all have to be streetwise. So that some people will not come and be intimidating us. Kemi, me, I know they're part of people who they intimidate. And people who they intimidate say, sorry, you know go to intimidate them again. All of us don't stand for each other now. And on Sly's case, we still move. Tomorrow we're going to be meeting with the Commissioner of Police. Yes, our voices must still be heard. And we're still seeking for justice for Sylvester, the 17 children that were crushed today, the girl that was raped, the people that were closed up in the cooler. For all our children, we continue to speak for justice. So you can join us tomorrow at the Commissioner of Police office in Lagos. Where is the address? Ikeja. Yeah. No fear, make una come and come talk. We don't tell CP say, we know they read daily papers. Make them they update us for social media. If they no update us, we self go find them come. Because all we are asking for is justice. So tomorrow, by 11 a.m., if you can come, please meet us up. Very peaceful gathering. We just want to hear the update and lend our voices. So if you have anything you want the government to do, we want open investigation on all these atrocities going on. So please feel free to come and join us. Come you all, come with one spirit, come with a positive mind that changes for sure. This is our generation. The on Sly's case, we still move. Tomorrow we're going to be meeting with the Commissioner of Police. Yes, our voices must still be heard. And we're still seeking for justice for Sylvester, the 17 children that were crushed today, the girl that was raped, the people that were closed up in the cooler. For all our children, we continue to speak for justice. So you can join us tomorrow at the Commissioner of Police office in Lagos. Where is the address? Ikeja. No fear, make una come and come talk. We don't tell CP say, we know they read daily papers. Make them they update us for social media. If they no update us, we self go find them come. Because all we are asking for is justice. So tomorrow, by 11 a.m., if you can come, please meet us up. Very peaceful gathering. We just want to hear the update and lend our voices. So if you have anything you want the government to do, we want open investigation on all these atrocities going on. So please feel free to come and join us. Come you all, come with one spirit, come with a positive mind that changes for sure. This is our generation. The upper CP say, we know they read daily papers. Make them they update us for social media. If they no update us, we self go find them come. Because all we are asking for is justice. So tomorrow, by 11 a.m., if you can come, please meet us up. Very peaceful gathering. We just want to hear the update and lend our voices. So if you have anything you want the government to do, we want open investigation on all these atrocities going on. So please feel free to come and join us. Come you all, come with one spirit, come with a positive mind that changes for sure. This is our generation. The opportunity that God has given us with the power of social media and our voices, we will bring change in our own. We might not do it automatically, but gradually change will be effected. I love you all, and trust me, I remain loyal to every one of you.